Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create viral thumbnail using AI. So only using ChatGPT and the AI tools, you can create this kind of viral thumbnail. So in this video, I will show you step-by-step tutorials how you can use ChatGPT to creating the script, and then finally how you can use the tools, and then finally how you can create the AI thumbnail using the AI tools. Okay, so no more delay, let's get started. So if you are watching these tutorials first time, so I am Raihan, freelancer and content creator. I make videos how you can make money online, how you can start your online business. So if you are interested in this niche and if you want to see the more videos like this, so please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss the video. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show you some sample that I've already generated using AI tools, and look at the thumbnail. That's amazing, guys. That's amazing. So I just created this thumbnail 2 days ago. You can see it's really genuine viral thumbnail. So let's take the another one I already generated. You can see, so top 5 trending 2025. So that was a trading videos. So if you check out my YouTube channel, you will find the video. Okay, so look at the thumbnail. That's amazing. So let's check the another one. It was the breaking news of the Nifty crash. Okay, so this is the emoji, fire emoji. This is the shocking mood. Okay, and this is the title over here. Okay, so if you want to create this kind of thumbnail, so stay tuned. I will show you the tricks. Okay, how we can generate the thumbnail. And this is the another one, luxury private jet. So you can see the thumbnail. That's amazing. Okay, so it's feel like you are hiring someone who can create your thumbnail. Okay, so if you are a student and if you want to start your AI automation YouTube channel, maybe you need a good thumbnail. That's mean best click-through rate thumbnail. That was a good CTR. So definitely you need to hire someone like graphic designer who can create your thumbnail. But using AI you can create this kind of thumbnail, and I think that's great. Okay, so as a beginner you don't need to hire spend money. So also if you're a business owner and if you're spending lots of time and money on thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail especially, so just stay tuned. Okay, and this is the another one, guys. It's making money on online, something like this. Okay, so laptop, dollars, symbol, and the expression. Look at the expression. Faceless make money. So this video I didn't upload yet, so it will publish maybe today or tomorrow. Okay, so I just created this thumbnail. Just look at the font style, money make faceless. Okay, all right guys, so these are the thumbnail that I've already generated, and this is the proof. Okay, so it's time to create the thumbnail, but in this video I'm going to show you the another tricks. So maybe you want to create your favorite YouTuber or your computer YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so you want to copy and clone this. So this is the YouTube thumbnail that I already captured. Okay, so let's see, we want to create this kind of YouTube thumbnail. So how we can generate this kind of YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so let's check the another one. It's pretty simple, right? AI, then YouTube button and made this. Okay, so let's check this out. So body 600 per month. So if you want to create this kind of thumbnail, I will show you how you can create. Okay, faceless video, that's another one. Perfect. And here you can see Ali Abdul YouTube channel thumbnail. So maybe I already created another video. Okay, so check out my YouTube playlist section. You will find the video 0 to 100k. So if you want to create this kind of thumbnail, how we can create this. Okay, and the another one is creators only. So let's check. I'm going to create this one, Ali Abdul's video. Okay, so first of all I'm going to use ChatGPT, and I will ask ChatGPT to give a perfect prompt so that I can generate this kind of thumbnail. So I don't know how it's would be, but we can try. So let's go back to, and first step is we have to upload this picture into the ChatGPT, and then we can ask to give a prompt. Okay, so let's upload the first click on here, upload from computer, and then select your image. Perfect. So our image already uploaded, and right now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a perfect, accurate prompt that already exists in this picture, and then I will copy the prompt. Okay, so let's write it here. Okay guys, so I want to create the same YouTube thumbnail, so I need an accurate prompt for the picture. So let's press enter and let's see what can I get from ChatGPT. Okay, so here is an accurate AI prompt to generate a similar YouTube thumbnail. Okay, that's amazing, and this is the prompt, guys. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, so let's copy the prompt over here. It's pretty easy. Okay, so let's copy the prompt over here, and I'm going to introduce a tools, and you already know that it's called Leonardo.ai. Okay, so just log in with your Gmail account, and you will find the 150 credits. It's called token per day, and then you can create free images or thumbnail. Okay, so here you can see type a prompt. So let's paste the prompt over here that we already generated using ChatGPT, and here you can see generate. It will deduct 24 token. It's okay, no problem. But before pressing generate, you have to fix some model or preset. That's really important. So model and preset, what it will describe, it's like different kind of style and different kind of design you will find, like phonics one. So if you want to create anime style thumbnail, so you can select this one. Cinematic kino, also you can select Leonardo lighting. Okay, portrait perfect. So I'm going to select this phonics one. Okay, phonics 1.0, and you can find the prompt enhance auto, and the style would be dynamic. Also you can create different kind of style over here: fashion, dynamic, creative, cinematic concept. Okay, illustrator. So you can select each on every one, and you can try. And contrast medium, generation mode fast, and image dimension, which is really important. So we are creating a YouTube thumbnail, so this one is the perfect one, 16:9 ratio, medium and 4. So it's time to generate the thumbnail. So okay guys, so I don't know how would be the thumbnail. Okay, so let's generate. Click on generate. Okay guys, so here you can see it's already generating. So it will give us a 4 thumbnail. So we can download 4 also. If you find the best one, so also you can download the best one. Okay, so it's almost done yet. So within few seconds you will find your thumbnail. Wow guys, that's amazing. Unbelievable. Here you can see this is the first one, and this is the second one, and third one, and fourth one. So just comment below which one do you want to download. So I think the first one is really good. So if you want to download the thumbnail, so just press here download image, and it will automatically download it into your device. Okay guys, so this is how you can generate AI thumbnail using Leonardo AI, and it's completely free now. So you will get every day 150. Right now we have 126. Okay, so each and every time when you generate the thumbnail or images, so it will deduct the token, no problem. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you find this video is helpful, just comment below and also like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, so if you want to watch more videos like this, so comment below. So I will come back with new tutorials. So stay tuned in the next video. Have a good day.